Well, this is a log I'm cutting up today. It's another beech log. It's from the same tree of the previous beech tree log I was cutting. This is just the second log here, and I just wanted to show you the accuracy of this new Lenox bimetal blade there I got. Anyway, I just want to, and plus I want to show you how accurate this homemade sawmill with the car tires are. But just to give you an indication of how wide this board is here, it's from that end to this end right here, it is like about 26 inches there, and let's measure it in the middle here, about approximately, and it's about between the bark 26 or so, and I won't measure right on the end because it's but it's well, I will. It's about 26 all the way down through there, I guess. And here's the end, and right there is, let's get down here, it's just a hair under 2 1/4. And let's measure on this side, and it's about 2 1/4 or something like that, real close. In the middle, 2 1/4. And let's measure on the other end, see if it come out same on the other end, which I already did. But and 2 1/4. And just a hair under 2 1/4, maybe 1/16. Looks like it's about 1/16 or so, and about a 1/16 under 1/4 inch, 2 1/4. So I'm happy with it. Big a board that is 20. That's what, 26 or so inches wide. I don't know. I've got another one down here, and I don't know if it'll be any wider or not. Well, yeah, maybe 28 or so. Or close to it. And this one here was just a hair over 27. 27.5 or so, but anyway, there you go. Homemade sawmill that I've built from this and that and everything. So anyway, that's about it for this video. So thanks for watching. Bye, and have a nice day.